Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Warships Season 20. This is Bag of Churros right here. I'm going to show you guys some battles. Hopefully we'll do better than we did in the morning. I think we will. We had a string of a few losses. I played a little bit after the video, and so we're like 50-50. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins, 5 losses. But we were kind of messing around because we were running out of troops. We're at 1837. So let's see if we can make a little push here, okay? This is what we're doing. Let's start with 1, 2, and let's go. The fastest route is to go all CHOPPAs right now. Okay, so let's see if we can find an opponent. Okay, this one looks pretty straightforward. So it looks like we're just going to walk straight through it. Okay, and then all we're going to do is just, you got to be really careful.
Splendid!
.227, not as good as I wanted, but let's see if we won this one. Hold on just a few seconds. Hold on a few seconds. Got scary for a little bit there. Captain. Good job, Crouch. 47. Okay, let's keep the party going. Alright. Okay, this one looks quite a bit tougher. This would be a good one to mix in some bombers, but then I don't think we're going to win.
Splendid!
So,
Righto! Righto!
Go ahead.
Okay! Righto!
Keep it interesting.
Jolly good! Hurrah!
213. I don't know. It's gonna be close. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. All right. We won it. 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 Okay. 1857. Chest here. I don't think we're gonna. We don't have anything. We have 17 keys. We gotta get to 34. So we're just gonna keep on keeping on. Now we have a lot of tokens, so we can beef up somewhere, but we're gonna stay for a little bit, and hopefully we get that shock blaster. That should help. Okay, so let's go over
Righto! Yeah! Jolly good! Hurrah!
could have saved us out 2, maybe 3 seconds at the end if we would have Hail Married a little bit sooner, but it's always risky. Yeah, I think we would have still lost. Let's say we would have been 212. That one was kind of rushed from the beginning because really we should have bombers. But it's okay. You can't win them all, you know? Okay, this one's set up for us to just walk through. With the exception of this guy, we should be able to do fine. So let's go. Same old, boom.
Okay. Land ahoy!
All coming in. Man, keep trying to get these guys before they get my... Our flamethrower's killing us. The end is always scary. I think we won, but he was pretty quick too. Yes, 2 seconds. Hey man, these are close matches. We're 58, guys. What do you think? You think we're gonna make it? Oh man, 58. We need what? 2 more fights. I'd really like to end this video like I really wanted to end that last one. Getting up to level 19, that'd be sweet. We'll get there by tomorrow for sure, but you know, it'd be nicer if we got there now. No, I'm just gonna barrage, but I don't think it's a good idea to barrage because they're not exactly in a way. The ones that are gonna be a problem are those two, possibly this one, but we'll be okay. Oh, this one. No, 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 no! Man, did not get that shot off in time. Okay, I think we're pretty home free now. Stay out of his range, stay out of his range. You guys know I'm talking about that top left. Oh, just missed it. It's just keeping those choppers alive, man. That's the hardest part to the kind of attacks. Alright, so we don't have as much firepower as we should. Looks like they took out Kavan at some point. There he is. Maybe we launched him too early. Now we have to be extra careful because all we have is choppers. I was afraid of that. Well, we lost this one. And we lost all our troops. That's the worst part, you know? This is a good insight for you guys. I mean, at this level, it really helps to have a lot of boom cannons. I mean, we should really, what it was is we lost Kavan too early. Excuse me. If we had kept Kavan going, I think we would have been alright. But without Kavan, we had no heavies. Without heavies, our choppers were exposed. You know, the one thing we could have done was we could have started flaring. I don't even know if we have enough to keep fighting. We might have to switch to the other attack. Sometimes it's better. Wait, sometimes this works better. The 224. It's just not quite as fast. Oh, I'm so slow. Man. My reaction time, huh, guys? I just got to get those, you know, you try to time everything so that it's the most effective possible, but it's just not worth the risk. Better to shock earlier. This should be an easy win. 232. We should have won that one. Let's see how this guy's doing. Yep, we won. Well, there you go. You guys see what's happening. We're bouncing around. So what are we? We're still pretty much the same. So we're, let's see if this thing updated. We're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. This is exactly where we started. So you can see we might be a little bit stuck here for a couple of days. We can get up to 19, but it's going to be a little bit of a battle. For sure what's going to get us there is unlocking the shock blaster. We can also upgrade our shock launcher. I'm thinking this might be interesting too, tanks. And then we're going to go back and get rocket launchers. But that's kind of like the end of the season for us, because we can't go to the next engine because we're not a level 20 yet. So we're just going to have to grind a little bit. But let's see if we can get another couple wins here. Thanks for watching, guys. Be awesome if you subscribe and like and all that good stuff. Boom, boom.
What's up, dude?
What's up?
Come on, CHOPPAs, you can do it. Oh, man. Oh, we lost again. Okay, well, it just goes to show you, you shouldn't battle if you don't have the setup that you like. And for us, we like the 2 heavies and 6 choppers. So, man, I feel like I'm going to end another video on a loss. That is not the way I like to end these videos. 1, 2, let's see if we can do anything here. 1, 2, do I have any? Do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see this? I don't think we're going to win. This will be the last one. Win or lose, okay, guys? Thank you guys for being patient with me. Might actually work out okay. In this case, everything's spread out a little bit, so we're just going to need to spread our troops a bit too. In this one, when you use CHOPPAs, they're going to be more support instead of like the lead. I'm going to take out the shocks because this is more of a ground attack. Oh, he took out our Kavan. Kavan got a little too excited there. Now we can't. This is going to be brutal now because we don't have enough troops to defend. It's not looking good, guys. Not looking good. We don't have any heavies. We need some heavies. Oh gosh, stop this guy. He's gonna tear us up. Come on, gentlemen. Focus, focus, focus. Oh, did we squeeze out a win? 2-7. Come on, Flinbo. Sometimes you think the battle's close and it's not nearly as close as you think. Guys, well, there you go. 2 videos in a row where we did not perform as expected. So this one is probably like the video we did in the morning. We ended up pretty much where we started, right in the middle of the 18. That's the way it goes sometimes, you know. So we were stuck at 17 for a while. Actually stuck at 16. We kind of ran through 17 once we got our CHOPPAs. Then we got CHOPPAs, and then we're stuck at 18. We're not really stuck, like I said. We can get to 19. It's just going to be a grind. It's going to be tough. We got to find the right matchups at the right times. We've got to have really great attacks. In the morning is typically best when we have, you know, all of our troops. Like right now, we don't really have anything. We don't have instant training. So, you know, it's tough. It's tough. We don't pay to play. You know, we play because we love it. So that's where we are at 18. I do think we'll get to 19 probably tomorrow morning. And then I do think that we'll get to 20 once we start beefing up our defense. It's going to be tricky. I think we'll get to Diamond. But because we still have a ways to go. Look at, we can still do a lot of things. We can still grab cannons, which we probably will. I don't think we're going to go here, but we might. We can still upgrade Kavan. We can still upgrade Gunboat, which is going to be coming up shortly. A lot of bases these days have mortars, so you guys can see there's a lot of defense. Obviously, we're going to get this pretty soon. That's going to get us to 19 and possibly 20. So we still have a long way to go. A lot of good things in our future. I don't think we're going to get that node, but you never know. Maybe in the very last day or so. So we have some stuff. We are still making some progress. How many days are left? We got 9 days left. So I do think we're going to get to Diamond. And like I said, you know, our base is only a level 19. Is it? Yep, it's a 19. So we can't even get to the 6th engine if we wanted to. So if you guys are in our situation, you know, I do think that it's a pretty good plan. Hopefully you guys are having a good season, having fun, and moving on up the ranks, okay? Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the morning.